Alright, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to teach you how to glimpse at a card, and it's a very fancy way and it's very fooling even to magicians. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a free selection. Let's say that's the card right here, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a pressure fan. So you're going to combine doing a card spring and doing a fan, okay? So here's how it works. You're going to take your two fingers onto the bottom of the deck and your other two fingers on the top of the deck, and you're going to just do a fan like this. Now normally when you take a selected card, you're going to push it straight down the middle. This peak is particular, you're going to push the card at an angle. So you're going to angle the card, not straight down but at an angle. You're going to take the center of your palm and hit the top right corner. Now look at what happens when you do that. When you hit the card, that card is going to be sticking out. All you need is that little glimpse. You see that corner sticking out. Now when you close the packet, look at what happens. When you close, one card is going to be sticking out, and you can see that that is the ace of spades, okay? So that is how you will glimpse at a card. Now you can hide that card that's sticking out by covering it with your right hand over it, and you can square the packet up and give the deck a legitimate shuffle. And you can even invite the spectator to shuffle the deck, because now you already know what the card is, okay? So we'll do that one more time. Instead of pushing it straight down, you're going to push it at an angle, and you're going to push the card in, and you can see that that card is sticking out right there. As you close the packet, that card will tell you exactly what the card is, the Jack of Spades, okay? Now, once you know what the card is, you can simply close the packet and shuffle the card and give it legitimate shuffles, and even invite the spectator to shuffle the cards. Now after you've done this, what you're going to do is you're going to take the selected card and simply cut it to the top of the deck, okay? Now you're going to buckle under the bottom card right here, which will be the selected card, and because you know what the card is, now you're going to spell to the card, okay? So you're going to spell, and you're going to tell the spectator, tell me if you see your card. Now you're going to spell to it. You're going to spell this on your head, obviously not out loud. So you're going to say JACKOFSPADES. Now you're going to square the cards up and ask them, did you see your card here? You're going to turn the packet face down, and you're going to insert it into that break that you cut, that you held, okay? Now for the next time you're going to spread the cards, you're not going to spell the cards anymore, but you're going to maintain the same rhythm. So you're going to show the cards. You're going to show them about 12 to 15 cards. Now I'm personally not counting, I'm just estimating. You're going to say, did you see your card? You're going to do the same thing, turn the packet face down, but this time you're not going to put it on the break. You're going to actually put it on the bottom of the packet, and you're going to keep doing this again, keep spreading. You're going to say, did you see your card? They're going to say no. Once again, you're going to turn the packet face down, and you're going to just put it underneath, not in a break, until you get to the very end of all the face up cards, and then you're going to turn it face down, okay? Now you're going to ask the spectator, did you see your card? Of course they're going to say no. So now you're going to tell them, tell me what was your card. So now they could spell to the card and say Jack of Spades. So say, let's spell to it, Jack, JACKOFSPADES. And they're going to see that the Jack of Spades, their selected card, will always appear.